Welcome to my channel, Arabic Learners Online. Today, inshallah, we will learn the name of the months in Arabic. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your Arabic skills, this video is perfect for you. So get your notebooks and let's dive in. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our Arabic learning adventures. Now let's get started with the months in Arabic. Arabic months, like in many languages, hold cultural and historical importance. Learning them not only helps in communication but also gives us a glimpse into the Arabic speaking world. Let's start from the first month. January, January, يناير, يناير, يناير. February, فبراير, فبراير, فبراير. March, مارس, مارس, مارس. April, إبريل, إبريل, إبريل. May, مايو, مايو, مايو. June, يونيو, يونيو, يونيو. July, يوليو, يوليو, يوليو. August, أغسطس, أغسطس, أغسطس. September, 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 September. October, 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 October. November, 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 November. December, 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 December. That's all for today's lesson. أراكم قريبا. See you soon. مع السلامة.